Welcome to Marina. Saan siya? Marina Residential. Naadali sa Malate. Ha?
Yeah, ID.
ID? Okay. They bring that gun. Mot kayo ilahang kuan. What floor?
22.
22? We'll go in the 22. Okay, go. Come here. Going sa swimming pool. Okay. Maligo ko na si Junior sa swimming pool nila. Here. Okay. Function room. Ah! Here. Diretso lang. Ay. Rain. Thank you. Na-gym nila. All of this, yeah.
Hala, mga yacht na.
Ay, later na lang. Ay, Rain. Ay na. Get inside.
Judas mo. Na ditong sunog kung hitanaw pa ta diri gabi is taas man nakita ta natong sunog ma.
Get inside. Morning, morning. Yeah, direct. Going for a swimming pool. Oh, here lagi. Morning. Thank you. May gym po sila. Oh. Wow. Small space. Wow. Huh? You want there? You have the sauna? Nah, I cannot go there kay Aurel, I will go. Oh, take picture. Excited. Rain. Hala. Big rain man. Wow, here the swimming pool in the rooftop. Look at the big.
Land Bank of the Philippines. Land Bank.
Sige, dali na kay.
Manawang muwa ma ba? Kanigo na lang ma.
We are here at the 34th floor. The rooftop of Marina Residential. Oh my God. Kaulan nun mang kaayo.
Ito lang bitingog ma.
Dali kaliko na kay mga lakaw pata. Manila Bay, oh. Manila Bay na. Big rain. Nasa rooftop kami ng Manila Marina. It's the view. Oh! Ay, naku. Nakaka-lola. Tingnan yung baba, guys. Diamond Hotel. Ito yung view sa Manila Bay. O lang. And there. Mga barko.
Para maawala sunod.
Nakaw na dito. Pagdalik-kaliko. Look at the crane. Sige, enjoy Junior. Hi Belle. Enjoy. Ulan na ulan. Ulan. Oh, may gyms na dito guys. Oh. Good morning guys. Ito yung ano namin, breakfast. May fruit, strawberry, dragon fruit. May egg, rice, juice.